How's this for dieting? Glazed salmon, slow cooker pork tenderloin, barbecue glazed meatballs, heirloom tomato salad, and apples with caramel sauce. All made possible because of Red Mountain approved flavor bombs like these. Hi, it's Chanty Atri, and this is Clean Eating the Red Mountain Way. With help from these, you'll say yes please to some amazing dishes, thanks to so many calorie-free, fat-free, and carb-free products on the market like the Walden Farms brand. Salad dressings, marinades, barbecue sauces, pancake syrups, fruit spreads, dipping sauces, ketchup and mayo, and liquid aminos and hot sauce. Just keep in mind some low-cal or fat-free dressings have sugar and other ingredients that can wreck your diet, so check the label. And now, where to begin? Well, let's start with a simple 4-ingredient slow cooker pork tenderloin with your choice of 0-calorie barbecue sauce. Grab your crock pot and add the tenderloin, a teaspoon or 2 of chili powder, the juice of 1 orange, and a whole bottle of your favorite barbecue flavor. 4 or 5 hours later, you'll have a tender, flavor-filled pork that you can shred apart and serve on a bed of lettuce leaves. Who needs a bun? Do you love salmon? Just salt and pepper it, poach it in some water until tender, and when this orange marmalade spread is heated, just brush it over the top for a bright, citrusy salmon delight. If you're craving a good meatball, here's how to enjoy a diet-friendly version. Start with ground turkey, a sautéed onion, and some garlic. Add a little calorie-free Italian dressing and some liquid aminos for flavor. Then make them up, bake them up, and dive into a ball of flavor. Spaghetti squash, made super tasty with an Italian dressing, just enough flavor to bring this dish to life. Fresh heirlooms and little mini tomatoes are so delicious, especially with shredded basil, pepper, salt, and a drizzle of pear and white balsamic dressing. A veggie snack plate is even more delicious with calorie-free chipotle ranch dressing as a dip. And if you're craving another crunchy snack, whip up some egg whites, spoon them into a mini muffin tin, bake them up, and serve them with jellies like blueberry, orange marmalade, and raspberry fruit spreads. Now you can munch and crunch your way to a new you. And we can't leave out dessert, the one thing we all crave. So here are 3 ideas. Grab some chocolate and marshmallow sauce and fresh strawberries, then dip away. Or caramel sauce and fresh apples. Just soften the apple slices for a few minutes in the microwave and drizzle with the caramel sauce for a divine yet diet-friendly dessert. And finally, the perfect parfait. Fresh berries and marshmallow sauce. Not sinful, just satisfying. Add flavor guilt-free with Red Mountain approved flavor bombs. For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.